21, this is Täysikuu, Kone. 3 stickers beam, and we are also going to the sticker say we got the code here. Hopefully the code works in the sticker say.
Yeah.
There are some flaws here, also with MP8 fixtures, amazing, probably early on mid-1970s. The capacity is 3 purses of 4 grams, and this is in Olari, close to Matikylä Matby here in Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo region, Uusimaa, Finland. And now let's write it. Let's see when it was built. There are some flaws here. And the bottom panel frame was changed, but otherwise original. Built in 1972, turning 50 years old in the next year, 2022. The serial number is H28220, and this would have been expected in 2018. It's too late.
Yeah.
But I don't know. No, so it's in Swedish and Finnish there.
Yeah.
No, nobody was there.
Yeah.
I thought it was someone. Did you hear it on the first floor?
Yeah, but I think he or she used stairs, of course.
But it was so quick, I didn't hear.
Yeah.
I thought they were gonna use I thought it was some old woman was gonna use the elevator.
Ja.
For 1 floor, but no.
Missä piti paida spektaarmeita vaikka on.
Back to the ground floor. And also MP6 stop and alarm buttons.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's MP8. And they were also still quite early introduced in 1972. 71 they were introduced.
Yeah.
Probably summer 1971. And I like the wooden interior here.
Same here.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the rest of it.
That's